Start.
Okay, I'm going to be dealing with you about a Philips Hue light without a bridge on Amazon. You can use an Amazon Alexa, or you can use, actually this is called an Echo Show, and that,
I don't know that one.
that is called an Echo Dot. And you can also control this with a Fire TV stick. How do you know? Just listen to me. I have a Philips Hue light on my hand. All you have to do is set that up on any of your areas you want to put this light on, and then switch those lights on. After you switch them light on, all you have to do is say, Alexa, find devices. Let me just say it again. Alexa, find devices.
Starting discovery.
It's
This
gonna
will
be
take a few moments.
Take it.
Power on your new devices now, and if needed, put them in pairing mode.
And
Chip.
that they are in mute when you're talking, more like this. It has to show up red, and this is called the mute button. When you press it, like if you just say its name, like Echo, turn off the lights. It will not do that because it's in mute. If you keep saying that name on the Amazon Alexa app, you are not supposed to say that, because if you just say that name and then say it mistakenly, it may do something bad, okay? Or it may just do something to this. Just make sure that everything, including if you have multiple devices, everything has to be in the same frequency, same Wi-Fi, same everything, and same account. Otherwise, if you just ask at least one device to be pairing, it'll be pairing. So right now, if I unmute this and say, Alexa, turn the light red, and it will turn it red, and it'll say a noise. Then when you mute it, it'll still be in the correct light. And if you have multiple, right now, after this part, I'm going to be telling. Like if I now, since I have multiple devices, over there's an Echo Show. And if I say like this, Alexa, turn the light orange. It will do that if it's on the other one. Now I'm going to be talking about the Fire TV stick. Like, this is called the Fire TV stick. And how do you know how to control the remote? It's right on my hand the whole time, Echo Show and Echo Dot. The thing is, first you press this. You'll see that light up. And sometimes if you have shorter TVs, it may show up on the edge. But if you have bigger TVs, it'll make a little space. After you see that happen, all you have to do is don't say the word Alexa, Amazon, Echo, or Amazon. Well, it would be funny if I just said Amazon. When you press it, it'll show something like this. Turn the lights red. Bye. Oh, and also don't forget, Fire TV stick can do this. Play All India Radio Ragams. That would be an Indian song.
Playing the live broadcast of All India Radio, Ragam.
It's funny that you don't have a picture on it. It can also do YouTube, a little bit of those channels.